So our next topic is advantages of accounting. The first point is there that provides complete and systematic records. As the growth in the business includes the volume of transaction, means the volume of transactions also get increased. So at that time, it is not possible to remember all the transaction in your mind. So we will record each and every transaction in the books according to the accounting process. That accounting process, that is recording, classifying, summarizing, analysis. Overall, that is the accounting process that shows a true and fair picture of the business records. Provide information about the profit and loss. As we prepare, we make the complete record over here, over all the expenses and losses, and over all the income and gains. So that's why that shows, well, after meeting all the expenses and after taking all the income and gain, we calculate the profit and loss over here. That may be in the two forms, that is gross profit and net profit, after meeting all the operating and non-operating expenses, and on the yearly basis, means at the end of the year. Provide information regarding the financial position. Here financial position already we have done, that shows the financial soundness. Same it is over here, financial position, financial soundness, that is shown by the balance sheet of the firm, and that shows the position of asset liabilities and capital at the end of the accounting period. Facilitates the comparative study. Here means key, like same it is over here, helps in making the inter-firm comparison. Means with the help of the accounting information, we can make a comparison of current year profit income statement or balance sheet with the last year, previous year. This shows the increase in the profit and loss or increase in the asset liabilities or capital of the business. Helps in taking the managerial decision. Here this accounting helps the management to take the managerial decisions that is beneficial for the management, and so that if there is an increase in the business position, so that they can do a planning and controlling for the next year also. Helps in settlement of the tax liabilities. Tax liabilities means naturally we have to pay a tax to a government, that is in the form of income tax, in the form of sale tax, in the form of GST, in the form of excise duty, so many taxes. But this accounting helps the business enterprise to represent the accounts in front of the tax authorities. Helps in taking loan. This accounting helps the business to take a loan from the banks or from the financial institution. Act as a proof in the court of law. This act as a evidence because all the transactions are recorded in a business. So that's why anytime we can show our these accountancy to any of the people. So that is the evidence for us. Helps in detecting error and fraud. If by chance the clerk make any type of error or fraud by recording the accounts, so with the help of auditor we can detect error and fraud. Because how we can detect the error and fraud? Because all the accounting information is in the written form. So that's why we can detect the error and fraud. So these are the various advantages of accounting, uses of accounting.